An E&P company can only run efficiently if everything works according to schedule. Actinium scheduling software is an intelligent way to schedule more effectively and make sure the right resources are in the right place at the right time. Efficient companies schedule efficiently with Actinium software.
Good morning, and welcome to this week's What's Affecting Oil Prices. I'm Ashley Peterson, lead oil analyst here at Stratas Advisors. Stratas Advisors currently expects Brent to average $64 a barrel this week and for WTI to average closer to $58, but these prices are subject to a broad band of possibilities based on damage assessments and political developments. The most important factor to note will be higher strength on international markers, particularly Brent and Dubai, and a wider spread between Brent and WTI. Brent lost momentum at the end of last week on concerns of oversupply and a possible easing of tensions with Iran. But that all changed over the weekend when a coordinated aerial drone strike on Saudi Arabia removed 5.7 million barrels a day of oil production from global markets. Prices swiftly rose in Monday AM trading, but gains have moderated from their initial opening levels and could back off slightly more as Asian refiners and governments release data about crude and product storage levels in an effort to reassure markets. Until Saudi Aramco releases a more complete damage assessment, prices will maintain significant strength. In Asia, advantageous stock building during the period of low prices has helped grow inventories, but with little visibility into current stock levels, these inventories do little to reassure markets. Until a damage assessment is released, prices $3 to $5 higher than their recent norm are expected. If the damage assessment indicates that even half of the affected output will be offline for a significant period of time, then price gains could increase and remain in place for a prolonged period. Saudi Arabia has not yet officially linked the attack to Iran, and Houthi rebels have taken responsibility, but the investigation of exactly where the attack originated is still ongoing. The possibility of follow-on attacks and retaliatory actions is high and will dictate pricing direction. Geopolitics will be the positive factor in the week ahead. After a massive attack on Saudi Arabia's oil supply, governments are still coordinating their respective responses, and markets are awaiting news on the exact amount of impacted oil and a timeline for recovery. The global economy will be a negative factor in the week ahead. An extended period of high prices stemming from the Saudi Arabia outage will hurt demand growth expectations. Supply will be a positive factor in the week ahead. Currently, Saudi Arabian supply has been reduced by 5.7 million barrels a day with no apparent replacement. Initial estimates indicate that 1/2 to 2/3 of that outage could be for an extended period of time. Oil demand will be a neutral to supportive factor in the week ahead. The loss of significant oil production means that refiners will be tapping into reserves to continue processing to meet demand.
This weekly report is an excerpt from our short-term price outlook service analysis. For more information, please contact us.
An E&P company can only run efficiently if everything works according to schedule. Actinium scheduling software is an intelligent way to schedule more effectively and make sure the right resources are in the right place at the right time. Efficient companies schedule efficiently with Actinium software.
For more hard energy videos, follow our social media channels.